So let's say bring this one, and if you move the model somewhere in space, like that one, and you wanna put her or put it at the center or anywhere where your 3D cursor is, which is this little guy. In order to move that model, and it's always referring to the center point, which is this little dot, that's the home axis of your mesh. You can snap that one into wherever position that one is. To do so, you press Shift S and you open up this little wheel. And to move your model, you select your model first, and then you move it to your cursor, which is gonna snap it right here. So press that one, or just press number 8 on your keyboard, and it snaps it right there in space. Right? And now, in order to get that little center point in the center of your model, you press Control S, and you want this one, cursor to world origin, which is not right there. And now you can move your model at that center of 0, 0 on your axis. So that's how you go about moving